Breaking news within the gun world. New Staccato HD P4X full-size compensated duty handgun. We're going to be reading news from the Firearm blog website. And disclaimer, I am not trying to sell guns, YouTube, so please don't take down my videos. I am only reporting this as news. I do not want my viewers to buy anything. I am not trying to sell anything, okay? So they took down one of my videos, and maybe every single time I announce a new gun is released, I have to say I'm not trying to sell it, weirdly enough. But Staccato is making a smart move with the new HD P4X, and it's a response to market demand that's been building since the compact C4X started gaining traction in the concealed carry space. While the C4X uses an aluminum frame to keep weight down, the HD P4X swaps that for a full-size steel frame and grip, making it explicitly a professional and duty-oriented gun. The 4-inch compensated barrel stays the same, but everything else scales up for shooters who aren't worried about printing on a belt line. Now, the engineering here is straightforward and purpose-built. A 4140 DLC steel frame absorbs recoil better than aluminum and improves shot-to-shot consistency, which matters when you're training hard or working professionally. The DLC flush-fit compensated barrel is the same platform that's proven itself on the C4X, managing muzzle rise without requiring a full-length design. The real difference is capacity. The full-size grip takes 18-round magazines, a meaningful jump over compact platforms, and Staccato is leaning hard on the HD Host optic mounting system for modernization, and this sucker looks pretty sweet. I really like the grip with the star little logo there, and it just looks really nice. The control layout mirrors current professional standards. Ambidextrous, lefty and righty, safety and slide, stop mean you're not sacrificing either hand. The reversible mag catch works both ways, and the gun takes Glock pattern magazines if you're already running that ecosystem on duty. Active firing pin block adds another layer of drop safety, the kind of detail that matters in professional contexts where guns are moving in and out of holsters constantly. Staccato says every HD pistol passes the Federal Ballistic Research Facility standards, a testing protocol built to simulate real defensive scenarios, which is worth noting if you're, if guns are for actual professional use rather than range time, right? If you actually want to use this thing in a professional setting and not just as shoot it casually. All of this is American made, of course, in Texas, a detail Staccato emphasizes in their marketing. Now, the starting MSRP is $3,599, so with taxes and shipping, perhaps a little over $3.6K. Which positions this at the higher end of the professional 2011 market, but Staccato's reputation for fit and finish supports that number. Very pricey for a handgun, let's be honest. It's pretty pricey, so it's a big buy, right? Almost $4,000 for just a pistol, but you're buying quality, you're buying a very nice, reliable gun that's going to last, right? The gun ships in 3 configurations, and availability through dealers begins July 13th of 2026, so very soon. Staccato HD P4X specs. Let's talk about the configuration. Full-size steel frame, 4-inch compensated. The caliber is 9x19 millimeter. Frame 4140 DLC steel. And the barrel is 4-inch DLC flush fit compensated. The capacity is 18 rounds, so perhaps a +1 in there, making it 19 rounds. Controls, ambidextrous, safety and slide stop, reversible mag catch, Glock pattern mag compatibility, safety features, active firing pin block, optic mount is HD Host system, testing standard, Federal Ballistic Research Facility, and again, $3,599 is the starting price for 3 available configurations. So it's even more for the other types. So once again, I am not trying to sell this gun. I am only reporting this as news for gun owners everywhere. So I am not associated with the Firearm blog, and all credit to them. That's where I was reading from this website here. So YouTube, please do not take down this video. This channel follows all guidelines. All right, type me a comment if you're going to pick up the Staccato HD P4X full-size compensated duty handgun, and subscribe if you guys want to stay up to date with everything war and weapon related. Make sure you ring the bell, that way you don't miss any video I post in the future. Takes 2 seconds, why not do it? Helps me out. Smash the like button. What else? Let's see. Check out the older videos on my channel, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.